For the last couple of years, my hydrangeas have been growing well, but they won't flower. I do cut back the previous year's old stalks. They look dead, he says, but my wife tells me that's where the blooms come from. Is she right? What can I do to encourage my hydrangeas to bloom next year? And this is from Mike from Ringgold, Georgia. All right. So Tonya.
Well, Mike.
Is the wife right?
I believe she is. I believe she's right on this one.
You need to listen to his wife.
Yes, if you have a Mophead or a lace cap type hydrangea, your old-fashioned hydrangeas, they bloom on old wood. There are some that bloom on old and new wood. Those are your ever-blooming hydrangeas, but they're going to say on the plant label when you buy it at the store, you're going to know for sure that's what you've got. But most of your common hydrangeas they bloom on the old wood. So I would say don't prune them at all if you can help it. But if you've got one that's just, you really need to prune it back, the best time to do it, and there's still no guarantee you're not cutting off some blooms for next year, but the best time is immediately after they flower, before they have time to set the next year's buds for the blooms. So yeah, try not to prune them, but if you do, right after flowering. If you wait till the fall, it's over with, no blooms.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.